Jack. That's the last piece, Booty. I got no more. Are you eating it?
Becky, here.
Oh, that was nice. That was the last piece, Booty. It's the last piece. We got no more. Hey, these were nice feathers we found. That's a nice one, man. Look at that. Wow, look at this beautiful feather. Okay. You ready?
What's the other feather?
Chucky, going back.
What's the other feather?
The other feather's in here too.
What?
It's in here. They're both inside here. Look, one, and the other one's in there too. The little baby one. See it?
Yeah.
This one. Okay. You ready? And the nice rock we found. Look at the nice rock, man. This is a cool rock, Booty.
What?
This rock.
Oh, it's not hot no more? Oh, it's kind of warm.
No, it's not warm. Okay, you ready to go? Say goodbye to the duckies. And the geese. Oh, the geese are all the way on the other side now. Holy crap. Look at that. They went all the way down there.
Oh.
They're way down there.
Oh, let's go.
They're coming back in the water.
Oh, wow. They're coming back over here?
I think so. Alright, you ready? Let's go. Let's go. You ready? Say goodbye, guys.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later. We feed you guys.
See you later, alligators. Uh-oh. It's down, Jack.
What?
Jack.
Look, that's a lizard.
That's a lizard. That's, whoa. Look at that duck. Shoot. That lizard ran right in the water, huh? You gonna go to sleep?
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.